Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the process of uploading a custom template using Excel, as we had previously mentioned within the lead creation tutorial video. The user, while creating a lead, can either use the existing templates for adapting the activities within the lead or upload and use their own template. This can be done by clicking on the Create button and navigating to the Adapt Template section and clicking on the Upload button. Here, the user need to provide a name and type for the custom template. And the template can be added as an Excel file. Note that the file should be in table format and the headers are taken up as activity items. This is an example for a table format. Once uploaded, move to the data section to view the data added through the Excel. Once all the particulars are checked, the user can upload the template and use it successfully. Thank you for watching.